That shit's look crazy.
This shit is crazy, yo.
Yeah.
You ready, bro?
Oh yeah, let's get it. Yeah, let's get it. That's the first bag.
I think the plan is we're gonna get up at 4 because the sunrise is at 5:30. It takes about a half hour to get there. Probably another 20 minutes or 30 minutes to hike to the falls, and then do what we do best from there. We're just here playing around with our cameras, getting everything ready for tomorrow. Now we're really distracted. As you can see, cameras everywhere, lenses.
Yeah, this is nice, man. 24 to 70.
Yes, sir. It's about 4 a.m. We're getting ready. It's fucking early, man. It's early.
Early bird gets the worm, right?
Yeah, you know what they say. Alright, we made it.
Let's do it.
Hiking down to the falls right now. It's dark as shit, you probably can't see anything. I'm gonna hit you when we get there. It's quite a ways down.
Down there.
Crazy how like far this is, but so close at the same time. Like that drive took forever, but in reality, it was only like 2 hours. And it's crazy to think that we're still in Massachusetts right now. We had to cross through New York just to get here. That's wild. Most important part when you're hiking or when you're out somewhere, be respectful to Mother Nature. Be nice. You guys hear that?
That shit's look crazy.
This shit is crazy, yo. It's a lot bigger than it seems, I promise. Holy crap. Worth every second of getting up at 4 a.m. driving out here at 9 o'clock at night. This is so worth it. All you people that sleep on Mother Nature, you need to get outside and see the world. Peep this. So we've been here a couple of hours, getting all the angles, getting all the shots. It doesn't look that big on camera, but I promise you,
It's huge. It is huge.
this waterfall is big. Big. Let me see if I can show you. Without falling down. I already fell once, only once. See if I can show you. My hands are freezing. Check this out. as I was saying, this thing is massive, worth getting up at 4 a.m. for. Absolutely. I am very much looking forward to getting back to the hotel and smashing breakfast. Once again, let me show you this waterfall. Unless you're here, you can't appreciate it. I'm sorry. Alright fellas, that's it for me. My camera's gonna die. I don't have another battery. I'd have to go home and charge this one. So that might be it for waterfall footage. Gonna get out of here, smash some breakfast, maybe take a nap. That sounds good. I'll see you later.